In this video, I'm going to show you how to check YouTube total watch time. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to youtube.com and sign into your account. Then from there, we want to go ahead and click onto our account username. And then from here, click onto YouTube Studio. Now, inside of your channel dashboard, we've got a bunch of tabs on the left-hand side. I want to click on the Analytics tab. And then over to the right, we've got the option to see our views, watch time, and subscribers. But what we're looking out for is watch time hours total. So basically, we need 4,000 watch hours to get monetized on YouTube. So we need to go click on where it says last 28 days and click on last 365 days. And then you can see our total watch time hours here. Also, what we can do is click on the Earn tab. And now on the Earn side, we can go ahead and scroll down. And then we've got the option to view our public watch hours and public short views, as well as our video uploads and subscriber count.